Okay, so an update on my boobs. So I've just had a delivery from the company. I will show you the company's name just there. I think it's pronounced Macom. You'll have to have a look. I'll put the link down below. And these are the surgery bras. I'm so excited. They are quite expensive, but the company I went with gave me like a discount code. Okay, so I've ordered a black one and a white one. Oh, I love packaging. What is that? Some sort of like exchange form. Okay, so I've got black and white. So I got a 34 and it doesn't go on cup size. It goes on like round this bit of you. I actually measure a 32, but I thought I'd go for the next size up. So, oh, these feel like amazing quality actually. Wow, look at that. That's so cool. Oh, we have just got to try it on. I'm going to put it on the tightest one because, like I said, I have gone like slightly bigger. So, but it's got 3 different sizes, so you can change up whatever you want. They're easy enough to hook together. Wow, that is really comfy. That is so comfy. Okay, so you'll be able to see just how big my boobs are. They literally are nothing. So basically the cup can go out and it can stretch out for your new boobs. But that feels so comfy. Got adjustable straps here and they're nice and thick, they don't dig into you. And I have quite a lot of room in there, that's good. I like this thick back as well. It's just kind of, it's really soft and it's really wide, so it's not going to like dig into any of your back fat. I may actually have to have like a massive haul and just like buy loads more clothes, because I'm feeling like this top, well, it's got a little bit of a stretch to it, but then it's going to be like massively gapey here, so I'm just going to have to go and buy like a whole new wardrobe. So yeah, please leave me comments down below of what surgery bras you use or recommend. These were, I think, around £37 each, which yes is a lot of money, but I wanted to get the best. I wanted to get something that's really supportive. I did actually buy some cheaper sports bras from Asda, and they just weren't very supportive after I had my fat transfer, and I found that the other support bra that I bought was more expensive, that I also got from Asda, was a lot better. But obviously the front clasps are most important, because you can't raise your arms up like this because it will tear stitching. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to follow my journey, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye ladies!